Vinfast stock is up by over 25% in just a single day after news came out that the company will be a part of a global climate change gathering. Keep watching as we share all the details with you, but before we do that, subscribe to our channel $1 World for regular EV stock updates. As the sun set on the horizon, casting a warm glow over the bustling city of Hanoi, anticipation filled the air. The world was gearing up for COP28, the most pivotal gathering on climate issues, where over 70,000 delegates, including heads of state and global leaders, would converge to shape the destiny of our planet. Among them, the Vietnamese delegation, led by the esteemed Prime Minister Pham Minh Chinh, was poised to make a significant impact. As the delegation prepared to embark on this crucial journey, one standout entity was to take center stage. Vinfast, a trailblazer in the realm of electric vehicles, or EVs, Vinfast was not just attending COP28, it was poised to elevate the discourse with its groundbreaking contributions to sustainable mobility. At the heart of Vinfast's delegation was Madame Lê Thị Thu Thuy, a woman of vision and tenacity, vice chairwoman of Vingroup and the global CEO of Vinfast. Her presence was not merely symbolic, it was a testament to Vinfast's commitment to playing a leading role in the global pursuit of a sustainable future. Madame Thuy was slated to join an illustrious panel of global leaders in a thought-provoking discussion titled Strengthening Sustainable Supply Chain Resilience. This panel was more than just a mere dialogue. It was an opportunity for Vinfast to weave its narrative into the fabric of global sustainability. Madame Thuy expressed her enthusiasm, stating, "We are honored to be playing an active role at COP28, sharing our experiences in building and maintaining sustainable supply chains. Together, we can contribute to the world's sustainable development, fostering innovation and advocating for concrete actions to combat climate change." The stage was set, not just for discussions but for showcasing tangible solutions. Vinfast seized this moment to unveil its highest-end model, the Vinfast VF9, a jewel in the crown of sustainable luxury. The VF9, a full-size all-electric SUV, exuded power and sophistication. With 402 horsepower under its hood and an impressive EPA range of 330 miles, the VF9 was not just a vehicle, it was a statement. The curtain rose on this automotive masterpiece, and for the first time in the region, the Vinfast VF9 made its grand entrance. Its dimensions, 5,118 x 2,254 x 1,696 millimeters, spoke of elegance and presence. The wheelbase of up to 3,150 millimeters created a canvas for ample interior space, offering configurations for a full-size 7-seater or 6-seater with captain seat options. The VF9 was not merely a marvel in engineering, it was a symphony of design and functionality. Its exterior seamlessly blended modern aesthetics with aerodynamic efficiency, creating a visual masterpiece. The premium interior, adorned with cutting-edge technologies, promised an exhilarating driving experience. 2 front seat rows, integrated with massage, ventilation, and heating features plus trim, elevated the concept of comfort. Technology was not just a feature, it was woven into the very fabric of the VF9, a 15.6-inch infotainment screen, windshield head-up display or HUD, outside rearview mirror with auto-dimming plus, and 11 airbags were just a glimpse into the realm of high-class amenities this electric marvel offered. But Vinfast's commitment went beyond luxury. It embraced safety and innovation. The VF9 boasted an array of advanced technologies, including the Advanced Driver Assistance System, or ADAS, and smart services, with regular firmware over-the-air or VOTA updates. Vinfast ensured that the VF9 would not just meet but exceed customer expectations, evolving over time to provide more enjoyable experiences. As the world marveled at the VF9, Vinfast's narrative extended beyond a single model. It was a comprehensive ecosystem, a vision to make smart electric mobility accessible to everyone. Vinfast had not just conceived an electric SUV, it had birthed a family, a lineage of electrified mobility spanning electric buses, electric scooters, and a diverse fleet of passenger cars. The story of Vinfast was not just about innovation, it was a narrative of responsibility. In a world grappling with the urgency of climate action, Vinfast stood as a beacon of hope, a testament to what could be achieved when passion met purpose. As the world turned its gaze to COP28, Vinfast was not just an attendee, it was a protagonist in the grand narrative of a sustainable future. The journey had just begun, and the road ahead promised not just miles but milestones in the pursuit of a greener, smarter, and more accessible tomorrow for all. Enjoying the video so far? Be sure to join our Discord community to connect with other like-minded investors. Talking about the Vinfast stock, as of November 30th, 2023, VinFast stock, or VFS, is listed on Nasdaq with a current price of $7.13. The day opened and closed at the same value, with a fluctuation between $6.91 and $7.58. The 52-week range indicates a variance from $4.59 to $93, portraying the stock's volatility. The market capitalization stands at $17.632 billion, with 2.33 billion outstanding shares and a public float of 31.8 million. VinFast beta is negative 0.37, suggesting a negative correlation with the market, and the P/E ratio is not applicable. The company reports an EPS of negative 33 cents, emphasizing the current losses, while key stats reveal a revenue of $933.756 million, a gross margin of negative 56%, a net margin of 251.61%, and an EBITDA of negative $1.467 billion. The return on equity, or ROE, is noted at 2.36%. Amidst this financial landscape, analyst ratings from Wedbush recommended a buy, with a price target of $12. Recent news highlights VinFast's ambitious plans to construct a manufacturing plant in Europe, signaling its global expansion strategy. Additionally, as of November 28, 2023, VinFast celebrated a significant milestone with the delivery of 100,000 vehicles. Despite facing challenges such as high production costs and low margins, VinFast remains an attractive yet risky investment due to the surging demand for electric vehicles. The company's potential for substantial growth positions it as a contender in the competitive global automotive industry. Investors should carefully weigh the associated risks against the promise of growth when considering VinFast stock in their portfolios. Before the sudden surge that catapulted VinFast stock to unprecedented heights, the narrative was quite the opposite. It was a descent marked by challenges and uncertainties. The stock, which went public in August amidst considerable anticipation, initially faced the trajectory heading downhill. Since its August debut on the Nasdaq, VinFast witnessed a meteoric rise of up to 700%, only to see its market value plummet over 90% from its peak. Recent scrutiny from analysts revolves around VinFast's resilience on related party-driven EV sales, questionable valuations, and a concerning decline in customer traction. SEC filings for the July through September quarter unveiled that a significant majority of VinFast EV sales in the 9 months leading to September 2023 were to related parties or affiliates of its parent company, raising doubts about the firm's ability to establish a robust market presence. Data further exposes that over half of VinFast EVs sold this year were to a related party, underscoring limited market demand for the company's models. Of the 11,300 vehicles sold in the first half of the year, a substantial 7,100 were sold to Green and Smart Mobility, or GSM, a Vietnamese taxi company controlled by VinFast's parent company Vingroup. Despite these challenges, VinFast remains resolute in its global expansion endeavors. However, early reviews of the company's EVs by U.S. car experts were scathing, branding them as simply not ready and abysmal. Delays in the initial shipment to the U.S. and a significant recall due to a software error identified by the U.S. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, further marred VinFast's entry into the competitive U.S. market. Undeterred, VinFast aims to deliver 40,000 and 50,000 vehicles in 2023, a notable increase from the 7,400 EVs sold in the previous year, all within Vietnam. However, skepticism lingers among analysts who view this ambitious target as potentially unrealistic. During the September quarter, VinFast exhibited substantial growth, with revenue more than doubling, fueled by a surge in vehicle sales and deliveries. Despite this, the company's net loss widened by almost 34% to $623 million, indicating mounting expenses. Founder Pham Nhat Vuong reportedly conveyed the company's expectation to break even by the end of 2024 during the annual general meeting in May. Established in 2017 by Vingroup, one of Vietnam's largest private conglomerates, VinFast made history with its rapid ascent in the stock market, becoming the first Vietnamese car brand to expand globally and venture into EV production. However, the wild swings in its stock price, frothy valuations, and concerns over related party-driven sales have cast shadows on its trajectory. VinFast shares, which at one point rivaled the valuation of major automakers like Volkswagen, Ford, and General Motors, have witnessed an 80% plunge in the last 6 months. The volatility, compounded by a limited number of shares available for trading, has seen the shares dip below the $22 listing price, currently valuing the company at around $15.46 billion. Despite these challenges, VinFast's ambitious journey continues, navigating a complex landscape where concerns about related party transactions, customer engagement, financial losses, and valuation persist. The road ahead for VinFast remains uncertain as it strives to redefine its narrative in the competitive and ever-evolving electric vehicle market. Remember that this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research and make informed investment decisions. That was all for today. Let us know if you think the stock will make you rich or not in the comments section. Hit like and subscribe to our channel $1 World for more such penny stock videos, and we will see you in the next one.